Good morning, students. In previous video, we have seen that the Maharaja of Travancore came to kitchen to see that all the arrangement for the feast were going on properly or not. Correct. Then he had seen some of the vegetable scraps and he asked the cook what you were going to do. Then he said that I will throw this vegetable scraps. So that king got angry, that Maharaja got angry, and he said that you should not waste any bit and pieces of vegetable. You should utilize all these vegetable scraps. You should not waste anything. And we know that cook got confused that this is completely wasting and how I could use this. ये तो completely वेस्ट चीज़ें हैं, वेजिटेबल स्क्रैप्स है, बचा हुआ पोर्शन है, तो इसका यूज अभी कैसे होगा. ही गॉट कन्फ्यूज्ड. वो एकदम चकरा गया कि क्या करूँ और क्या नहीं, और महाराजा का ऑर्डर है वो तो फुलफिल करना ही पड़ेगा. ही हैड गॉट एन आइडिया. He washed and cleaned the vegetable bits, vegetable scraps, and he put one pot and he placed that all vegetable scraps in fire. Okay, he added some of the garlic, some of the green chilies, coconut together. He added the paste and some salt to the cooking vegetable. In this way, he made one new dish. A tempting smell started coming from the pot, and when that vegetable was cooking, at that time a very tempting smell was coming from the pot. Tempting smell means ऐसे लग रहा था कि वो जो सुगंध है वो वेजिटेबल की, वो ललचा रही थी कि कितना खूबसूरत, वो कितनी अच्छी सब्ज़ी बनी हुई है, और ये जो है ये सब्ज़ी को खाने में इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. इस तरह से मन हो रहा था कि ये जो वेजिटेबल है इसका यूज करना चाहिए. ओके, नाउ ही विप्ड सम कर्ड एंड एडेड इट टू द करी. तो उसकी जो ग्रेवी थी तो उसमें क्या किया, उसने कुछ कर्ड लिया और उस करी में डाल दिया. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated his dish with the curry leaves. तो जो कड़ी पत्ता हम लोग बोलते हैं वैसे कड़ी पत्ता लीव्स लिया उसने, कोकोनट ऑयल लिया, और वो अच्छे से जो वेजिटेबल बनाई थी उसने उसको उसने डेकोरेट किया. लो एंड बिहोल्ड, दिस वर्ड इज सेड इन सरप्राइज. जब भी हम आश्चर्यचकित होते हैं, जब भी हम सरप्राइज होते हैं, तब इंग्लिश में लो एंड बिहोल्ड यह वर्ड यूज़ किया जाता है. ओके, लो एंड बिहोल्ड मीन्स लुक, व्हाट अ सरप्राइज. ओके, द न्यू डिश वॉज रेडी. इन दिस वे दैट न्यू डिश वॉज रेडी. द कुक सर्व दिस न्यू डिश टू द गेस्ट दैट इवनिंग, एंड व्हाट ही डिड, whatever guest came for the feast, he served that new dish, vegetable scratch dish, to the people, to the guest. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. So this new dish, this new vegetable was totally awesome, बहुत ही अच्छी बनी थी. And that's why each and every guest, each and every person was very eager to know about which is the dish, what is the name of this new dish, because they had never seen such dish earlier. That's why the cook thought and thought. Actually he also did not know the name of that dish. वो डिश जो थी, वो डिश का उसको भी नाम नहीं पता था, तो वो सोचने लगा इस डिश का नाम क्या रखूँ. Then a name came to his mind. He named it avial dish. What was the name of the dish? Avial dish. Avial became famous all over Kerala. Basically, this dish is from Kerala. Okay, and this avial dish became very famous in Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. This dish, this avial dish became very common, and all the traditional Kerala feast, including this avial dish, ये जो नई एक वेजिटेबल की रेसिपी इन्वेंट हुई और उससे जो ये वेजिटेबल का एक नया प्रकार बना, सब्जी का एक जो प्रकार बना, उसको ट्रेडिशनल केरला फीस्ट में इंक्लूड किया गया कि जब भी कोई फेस्टिवल होगा, जब भी कोई ट्रेडिशनल फंक्शन होगा, सो इन दैट फंक्शन श्योरली दिस डिश इज इंक्लूडेड. In this way, this dish became very common. Okay, and imagine it all came from a basket of waste, and you must know that from which this new dish invented, just from the basket of waste. जो वेस्ट वेजिटेबल का पार्ट है ऐसा करके फेंका गया था, उस ही वेस्ट पार्ट का यूज करके ये फेमस अवियल डिश बनाई गई. सो व्हाट कैन बी लर्न फ्रॉम दिस लेसन? इफ पॉसिबल, वॉट एवर रिमेन्स ऑफ एनीथिंग आर लेफ्ट, वी शुड try to learn to utilize the waste things, and we can make some of the artistic work over there. Okay, just like if there are some bits of papers, you can make different artworks. If there are some matchstick, if there are some ice cream sticks, if there are some waste beads which are not useful, if there are some scraps of papers, you can use them in such a way that some beautiful artwork can be happen, and that can be kept in home also, and that can be sale also. So in that way, that waste thing can change into the useful thing, and this is our responsibility. If possible, we should learn to utilize the things, the waste things. I have seen one of the magazine. In that magazine, one name was mentioned. One girl was there. She was collecting some of the plastic bottles which were considered as waste. तो वो लड़की क्या करती थी, वो 5th स्टैंडर्ड की थी सिर्फ, वो क्या करती थी, जो प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स है जो वेस्ट समझा जाता था उनको कलेक्ट करती थी. शी लर्न द टेक्निक टू पुट सॉइल इन दैट प्लास्टिक बॉटल and to grow different creepers, different flower plants, different beautiful plants. And now she became very famous in her village, or in her place where she is living now. That whole place is decorated with different plants, different flowering plants, different types of things, we can say. So that plastic bottles have been used which were considered as useless. तो वो सब किससे हो गया कि वो जो प्लास्टिक के बॉटल्स थे जिनको यूजलेस कहा गया था पहले, तो उसने वो कलेक्ट करके उसमें सॉइल डाल के वहाँ पे अलग अलग तरह के प्लांट्स वहाँ पे ग्रो करने की कोशिश की गई, और इस तरह से उसका यूटिलाइजेशन हुआ, रीयूज हुआ, नहीं तो वो फेंकने में जाते. प्लास्टिक पोल्यूशन इज़ द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. ओके, तो इससे क्या हो गया, प्लास्टिक पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल करने में भी उसका हेल्प हो गया. एंड दैट्स वाई if possible such waste things can be utilized, and some artistic work can be done over there, and some new things can be created which can be useful to us. So this is what this lesson. So dear students, this is all for today, and in this way we have completed this lesson also. Next instruction you will get in next video. Thank you very much. Bye.